All right, good to see you on this Wednesday afternoon. I'm your friendly meteorologist, Josh Stone, giving you a forecast of sunshine today, but about 10 degrees cooler than it was yesterday. Right now, it's 61 degrees, dew point at 42. Mind you, in the summertime, we have dew points in the 60s and 70s. So when you have a dew point of here in Tallahassee at 22, 42 here in Sarasota, it shows you how dry it is, how dry the atmosphere is. So it is going to be cooler today, like I said, about 10 degrees cooler. Yesterday we topped out at 74, which is average for this time of the year. Today, not so much. We're going to be, like I said, 10 degrees cooler, but things will change. How are they going to change? Winds will be coming in from the south and west, and by tomorrow will be warmer, and actually this warming trend will continue as we go through the next several days. But there's another system coming our way that could cloud up the skies and bring us some shower activity as we get into our Friday. Right now, as we discussed, the theme here of the weathercast today is dry conditions. Dry air above us, and that's why our radar will remain quiet today. Here it is, area of high pressure driving down that drier and cooler air from the north. Here's the front that came by yesterday. That's well to the south of Florida now. But as this area of high pressure slowly moves east, we'll have the wraparound flow come in from the south and then the southwest, and that's going to help warm things up over the next few days. Dry air shows up in tan here, draping the state of Florida, but there's this other system coming down from the north that's going to connect with a little more moisture here as we get into Friday, and that will potentially bring us some light showers around the Sun Coast. I don't think it's going to be a widespread event, but just something to monitor if you're going out, if you have any outdoor plans for Friday. A couple of systems to talk about here on the national picture. One here in the northeast bringing some chilly rain up through Maine and into Canada here at the backside of it, where that very cold air is coming down on the backside of the low. It's bringing down snow for those folks there. And in the upper Midwest, through areas of Wisconsin and western Michigan, getting their share of some accumulating snowfall. As far as the airport delays go, the only real minor delay is here in LaGuardia if you're leaving Sarasota, but all the other airports, Charlotte, Chicago, Atlanta, looking pretty good. Okay, for the Mariners today, let's check out the beach and boating forecast. Northeasterly wind becoming northwest 5 to 10 knots. Sea is 2 to 4 feet with a light chop in the bay. Tides, well, the high tide will be at 9:03 p.m. Today is high around 64 degrees. And as far as your extended outlook, I've got sunshine in there for you, and the highs climb back into the mid to upper 70s, so looking pretty good, Scott.